Hi Jackie.
Hey Neil, how you doing?
Good. You know what? Today in the morning, I was watching the news and they were showing me this COVID dashboard, and it made me think, how do they develop this kind of a dashboard?
Well, uh, a web server, a web page, something that you recognize, no?
From the last part of our discussion?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So let's bring the diagram that we had last time, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so we have the web server, your Python web server.
Mm-hmm.
No problem here. We have your users, your friends looking at into their web browser.
Mm-hmm.
Here, it's no longer the generative out. It's the COVID dashboard. So we put a header and some visualization. And then we have the HTTP request and the response. Right?
I see. But I don't have all this information about the latest COVID numbers and everything. Where do I get it from in my Python web server?
That's a good point. Here, your algorithm could do anything, but there's no data available.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to, your web server will have to fetch this information from another server.
Another server?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's say we have the US, we have China, we have the Netherlands. All these countries are producing these numbers, collecting this information, and we have some services, web services.
Okay.
Their job is basically, well, to grab this information and to put it together, either in a database or structuring. We don't know the details, but the only thing we know is their API.
API?
Yeah. The API is the description of the HTTP request I need to send so that I can get the data.
Okay.
So here, up, we have
HTTP request again from my Python web server. Okay.
To the web service, so that
I can get the data.
Exactly.
And then show it into my dashboard. Wow. You know what? I'm gonna make it today.
Yeah. Let's
Thanks.
give it a try.
Yes.